Hey guys, in this video we picked the top 5 best tow-behind sprayer on the market. We made this list based on our personal opinion, and we ranked them in no particular order after we did our research based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation, and more. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, Master Manufacturing SSN 01-015 AMM 15 gallon spot sprayer. Master Manufacturing SSN 01-015A is also a considerable choice in the best tow-behind sprayers list. It is compatible with ATV and UTV, making your spraying tasks easy and convenient. Master Manufacturing SSN 01-015 AMM tow-behind sprayers has a highly durable tank. All fertilizers, pesticides, weed killers, and other chemicals are acceptable with the tank, which is UV resistant. Its polyethylene nature also enhances its performance to a great deal. This tow-behind sprayer is the best option for spot spraying due to the type of nozzle and hose it contains. It can spot spray with a high capacity up to 18 feet vertically and 20 feet horizontally. The adjustable spray nozzle also aids in the process. The fact that this tow-behind spray nozzle is simple to fill and maintain is its best feature. It is mainly due to the wide opening and molded drain port that helps quickly drain leftover chemicals and water. Though this tow-behind sprayer is best suited for spot spraying, you can upgrade it to a broadcast sprayer with attachments from the Master Manufacturing boom and mounting kit. It has options for attachment to upgrade it into the broadcast sprayer. Number 2, NorthStar tow-behind trailer boom broadcast and spot sprayer. For larger areas and a more reliable sprayer, the NorthStar tow-behind boom broadcast and spot sprayer may be the best tow-behind sprayer for those with a medium price range. It does cost more, but it lasts 5 times longer than others of its kind, including the Ironton tow-behind. This sprayer doubles the spray width of the Ironton at 8 inches. For lighter spraying, it reaches even further. The hose doesn't have a convenient location to be bundled into, but that can be remedied easily enough after it is put together. The tank for the NorthStar tow-behind boom broadcast and spot sprayer is also larger. The tank is molded to be 3 times thicker than other tanks to make it sturdier. It increases productivity because it doesn't require as many stops to refill. The solution he found for this problem was to get off the tow vehicle and tap it. He worded it as waking it up. It may be due to something being clogged. It may be wise to make sure that the type of gasoline used for these sprayers is the correct type. While this sprayer isn't extremely expensive, it isn't cheap either. Before purchasing it is important to do some research to make sure it is right for your budget and property. Consider the area that needs to be sprayed as well as the terrain. Number 3, Precision Products TCS 25 Spot Sprayer. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly spraying option, then this ATV tank is worth your consideration. With a 25-gallon capacity, this spot sprayer has a 12-volt motor and pump that offers 60 psi and 8 gallons per minute. Also available in a more compact 15-gallon version, it comes with a 12-inch spray wand with thumb control, which helps prevent fatigue compared to some trigger sprayers. A drain plug is built into the tank for easy cleanup, and the heavy-duty poly tank and sprayer comes fully assembled, so you'll be set up and working in no time. Compatible with any cart or tractor with a 12-volt battery, this offers accurate, isolated distribution of water, fertilizer, herbicides, and pesticides. The tank even has a drain plug for easy cleanup. This sprayer ships fully assembled and comes with a limited 90-day warranty, which will cover any immediate issues or manufacturing defects. One downside of the Precision Products TCS 25 spot sprayer is with its nozzle. The nozzle can be difficult to adjust, especially if you need to make adjustments on the fly or quickly while working. Pros: affordable price point, highly rated, easy to clean, compatible with any vehicle. Cons: no broadcast spraying function. Number 4, Ironton ATV Spot Sprayer 8-gallon capacity. The Ironton ATV Spot Sprayer is an extremely versatile product available at a nearly unbeatable price. This spot sprayer can be attached to your ATV, UTV, or other vehicles to spot spray weeds, fence lines, and even the tops of large trees. It features a 1 gallon per minute pump and an 8-gallon tank, which is UV resistant and compatible with virtually all pesticides. The gallon markers on the tank make it easy to monitor your fuel levels. The tank has a convenient 3.5-inch opening and a bottom drain that can be easily emptied. The stream has a 12-foot vertical and a 20-foot horizontal maximum spray distance. The lightweight 3/8 inch by 12-foot clear PVC hose is reinforced with a braided synthetic cord for added durability. One issue with the Ironton ATV spot sprayer is that you cannot adjust the speed of the sprayer. This can be a problem for some customers, so you may want to consider another model if you need to adjust the sprayer speed. Features 1 gallon per minute pump and an 8-gallon tank, which is UV resistant and compatible with virtually all pesticides. Gallon markers on the tank make it easy to monitor your fuel levels. Number 5. NorthStar 282785 Tow Behind Trailer Sprayer. The NorthStar 282785 Tow Behind Trailer Sprayer is our pick for the best tow behind sprayer overall. It includes a professional grade pump, capable of a maximum pressure of 70 psi. It has a 31-gallon tank and can spray 2 gallons every minute over a 120-inch wide spray. It is a poly tank, which means that it is resistant to UV and the sun, and it will withstand chemicals and other harsh liquids and elements. With oversized wheels, the tow behind will cope with almost any terrain and will remain stable while being pulled. It also has a universal hitch that will work with ATVs and garden tractors, so it should be compatible with your chosen vehicle, despite having the largest tank, greatest flow rate, and best spray width. As well as oversized wheels, it is around the midway mark for pricing, a combination that means it is easily installed as our best overall pick. Considering the cost, though, the NorthStar would benefit from the use of higher grade materials, especially in the production of parts like the spray wand. Pros: 31-gallon tank, 20 GPM spray rate, 120-inch spray width, 70 psi pressure, inexpensive. Cons: some parts are a bit cheap.
Alright guys, that's all for now. Please leave a like on the video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.